This machine's pretty impressive, fast, super simple to use, and made with recycled materials. But who wants to pay full price? Not you and not on my watch. So here's how you can be a Vertuo Pop deal finding master. Tip 1. Don't miss out on Nespresso freebies. Nespresso and fellow retailers love to sweeten the deal with extras, so be on the lookout for these bonus deals with Vertuo Pop purchases. Weigh up the costs, as these extras can be money savers in the long run. Extra pods with purchase or pod dispenser holders are the normal incentives here. Tip 2. Price track. Like a hawk. Don't get duped by the first price you see, and don't go straight to Amazon. Now, this may seem ridiculously obvious, but some people still don't research price options. Google best prices and check comparative prices in the Google shopping section. Lots of options here and varied price ranges. Tip 3. Pair that with cashback and vouchers. Use Coupert or Honey. These browser extensions and mobile apps will find you other stores with cheaper prices when you're browsing on certain websites, like on Amazon. For those who forget tip number 2, they show where the cheaper options are, and with a click, take you to them. These are better than the normal shop comparison sites. They offer discount vouchers on purchases from a ton of online stores, and when you're on the checkout page about to buy, they'll search for the best available voucher deals and apply them straight to your shopping cart. Coupert also offers a daily login scheme where you can earn extra coins and exchange them for money up to the value of your cashback earnings, so you can, in theory, double your cashback. So try it out. You can only win. Links are in the description, so go give them a try and let me know how much you saved in the comments. While you're there, please give a little love back. Hit that like, share, and click subscribe. And in return, you'll get more free, helpful tips from my channel. It really means a lot to me if you do. Much love to my subscribers for your ongoing support. Tip 4. Patience is a bitter bean, but discounts are sweet. Competition is fierce out there, and pretty much everyone who's anyone in retail runs a sale. Spring, summer, winter, Easter, Christmas. Well, you get the gist. In fact, it's hard not to find a sale these days. So just hold off on buying the Vertuo Pop and wait it out for the next sale. Believe me, there will be one soon enough. Tip 5. Secondhand savvy. Pre-loved Vertuo Pops can be a fantastic option, but if that's not for you, no problem. How about ex-showroom, returns, and refurbished? These will generally come with a warranty, usually the same as a new one. Look for online marketplaces or electrical dealers. Try Amazon Warehouse or eBay, or search online for retailers that sell returns and refurbs. Here's a great one for UK buyers. Try Direct Vacuums for a refurb, now at £39.99. Comes with a year's warranty too. You can easily find yourself some great deals. Tip 6. Student perks. If you happen to be or know a student, then beg, borrow, or steal that discount card they get. No, don't steal it. It's just a term of phrase. Lots of companies offer generous savings to them. Anyway, get a card and check out those student offers if you can. So, there you have it. I hope you found the 6 Vertuo Pop saving tips helpful. Follow them, and you should have saved enough cash for some extra pods. Until next time, be brutiful, be happy, and most of all, be yourself. Take care, and thanks for watching.